Hello, this is Amy from Japan and thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. And let me introduce my videos. This video is silent and gentle origami tutorial for children aged 3 and up, inspired by Montessori education. So there is no background music and no narration, allowing children to focus their activity at their own pace. I will upload 3 times a week, so please looking forward to it. And if you have question or need further information, please leave the comment. So thank you and see you on my YouTube channel.